Hey everyone, Angelo BehindTheVault.net. Today we're going to talk about one of the three government pensions available, which is the Guaranteed Income Supplement. How do you qualify it? How much do you get for it? Let's go behind the vault. There are three government pensions: Canada Pension Plan, Old Age Security, and the Guaranteed Income Supplement, the G.I.S. Today we're going to focus on G.I.S. The G.I.S. is a monthly benefit available to seniors. You have to be living in Canada, you have to be collecting old age security, and you have to have a low income to qualify for it. So let's talk about that. Unlike Canada Pension Plan and Old Age Security, the G.I.S. is actually not taxable. So what you get is what you get, and you don't have to give any of it back. All right, to be eligible for the Guaranteed Income Supplement, you have to be collecting old age security and have a low income. Well, how low? Well, it really depends on your situation, and there are four. One is if you're single. Two, if you're married or in a common law relationship and both of you are receiving old age security. Three, you're married or in a common law relationship and only one of you is collecting old age security. And four, you're married in a common law relationship and one of you is collecting the G.I.S. allowance. Okay, let's start with being single. So you're 65, you're single, you're collecting old age security, and your income is less than $19,464 a year. If that's the case, and that's based on your net taxable, so it's line 234 on your tax return. So you've made all your deductions, but you haven't paid tax yet. Now it is a sliding scale. So, you know, the closer you are to that 19,464, the less you're gonna get. If you're at zero, the maximum is $959 and change. Let's just call it $960 a month, tax-free. So if your income is zero, not including G.I.S. and OAS, then you're going to receive the full amount. If your income is really close to that 19,460 mark, you're going to receive a fraction of that amount. Scenario two, you're married or in a common law relationship and you and your partner combined are both receiving old age security and your income is less than $25,728 a year. If that's the case, the maximum G.I.S. benefit that you can receive is just under $580 a month. Scenario three, you're married in a common law relationship. Only one of you is collecting old age security. Chances are it's you, so your partner is not. And the two of you together earn $46,656 a year. If that's the case, then you will be entitled to a maximum of almost $960 a month when it comes to your G.I.S. benefit. Scenario four, married, common law relationship. One of you is collecting old age security, the other is collecting the G.I.S. allowance. If that's the case, then you'll be entitled to about $580 a month, or 60% of the max. Can it be confusing? Yeah, a little bit. But the bottom line is this: if you've got no income, no pension, no RSPs, nothing, very little savings, and your only source of income is old age security and maybe a little bit of Canada pension, chances are you're going to qualify for G.I.S. And the reason why the government has this in place is to keep people above the poverty line. Okay, let's talk about the allowance real quick, because that's a bit of a side note to the entire G.I.S. It's part of scenario four. So the allowance is really for Canadians 60 to 64 that are not collecting OAS, obviously, because you have to be 65 to get it. And between you and your partner, you're earning about $36,000 a year together. So if you're 60 to 64, a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, and between the two of you, you earn $36,000, you may qualify for the allowance, which is going to give you a nice little bump up. And then if your partner on top of that is over the age of 65, they may qualify for the G.I.S. if the two of you together are under that $46,000, $47,000 threshold. So there could be a couple components for people who One person's over 65, the other person's not quite there, they're 60 to 64. There could be other components that bring it together to give you that extra boost. My advice really would be talk to somebody, talk to a financial professional, whether it's myself or somebody in the business that understands retirement planning and that can give you all your options. Because hey, if the government is giving it out and you qualify, it's just a little bit of paperwork that you have to do. And the great thing is you do the paperwork once, and then every year when you do your tax return, they'll just reassess to ensure that you still qualify for this. Another bonus when it comes to the GIS, like old age security, is every 3 months, they're going to reevaluate the income that's coming to you and usually bump it up by the consumer price index, the CPI. So it accounts for things like cost of living. The price of things are going to go up. So the benefit is going to go up as well to help better support you. Okay, that's it when it comes to the guaranteed income supplement. If you found the video helpful, make sure you like and comment below. If you've got any questions, let's get a conversation going. Don't forget the subscribe button down here, and here's our next video.